Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Kirsty. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some knotless braids again. I love these braids so much I had to do it again, so stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tell somebody about this video, okay? Let's get right into it. So you're going to start off by placing your product like gel or beeswax. I did use Jamaican black castor oil to prep my hair before I started my braids. Now you're going to take your hair, right? You see that? I literally started the braid, but I don't complete it until I take that first piece of hair and I add it, right? Watch this. You're going to take the hair and your real hair and you're going to go under. So let me show you that again. Okay, taking it from the top. Apply your gel, beeswax, conditioner, whatever it is that you use to hold down your braids. Grab 1, 2, and 3, right? You're going to take your finger and you're going to just go ahead and go 1. That is your first braid movement. Grab your braiding hair, slip it in, and then you're going to go 2. All right, flip the braiding hair over, and then you're going to grab that. 3. Slide it in. You're going to pull right there just to reinforce it a little bit. And then you're going to go 4, 5. So you've made a total of 5 braid movements and you've only added in 1 piece of hair so far. Now you continue adding in each piece. I did add 4 pieces of braiding hair for my braids this time. As you can see, I hold my pinky finger, right? I hold one end with my pinky and then I use the other end and slip it in between my pointer finger and thumb. Hold it, slip it in, move. You see what I'm saying? You have to build a rhythm when you're doing knotless braids because if you slow down even the slightest bit, your braids will bunch up and then you will see knots and then will no longer be knotless braids. It will be lumpy braids. So to avoid that, make sure you kind of build a rhythm. Counting helps a lot. I know this because I have to count for myself so I could explain it when I am recording. So start with 5 braid movements and you're going to be very pleased. So another tip that I want to share when you're doing your knotless braids, I did kind of like this square bricklaying. Part your hair in the center, right? And that's going to kind of give you the advantage to see like, okay, well here I can make my next part here. And then, you know, you could just tie that away. And then you want to go back, check your lines. And then once you see that it's straight, you're going to go ahead and move on. So remember, starting with a center point is going to help you have even amount of parts when you are parting your hair for box braids or twists or whatever you do. So let me show you this one more time from another angle. You apply your gel, okay? You're going to take your hair, you're going to go 1, okay? That's your first braid movement. You're going to grab your braiding hair, okay? You're going to slip it into your pinky, right? You're going to hold it with your pinky, one end with your pinky, and then your other end, you're going to slide it in. All right, here we go. This is going to be 2 right here. This is 2. See what I'm doing there? I'm grabbing that hair. And then this is 3. Okay, once you make your third movement, pull that braiding hair on down. You're going to go pull that to reinforce. And you're going to go 4 and 5. Okay, once you've made your 5th braid movement, go ahead and start adding in the remaining pieces of your braiding hair. Right, you see I'm doing the same exact method. Hold it with my pinky on one end, the other end I'm sliding it in between my pointer finger and thumb. Watch right here. Hold it with your pinky, slide the other end right there, move it down, flip it under, tuck it in. And here is the last piece. Okay, you want to be consistent when you're doing this. If you feel like you messed up, if you feel like the knotless portion is a little too loose, just check back on one of my other videos. The previous one, I do have a modified method which I preferred using the last time because it was my first time doing knotless, and the methods and techniques I've been seeing, they wasn't really working for me, so I needed to do something so I can get my hair done. So this is the third way that I am doing knotless braids, okay? So another trick that you guys need to know whenever you're braiding is you want to only braid about halfway down, right? So braid until your hair is completely, covered, and then stop. Okay, once your entire head is done, braid your braids to the end, then dip them in hot water and decorate to your liking. I'm so in love with knotless box braids. I'm so glad that I attempted to do this again because this method I felt was faster for me. If you guys are struggling, please comment down below, what are you struggling with when it comes to knotless braids, box braids, twists, whatever it is. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, kirsty.petrie, so that you never miss new content. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and stay channeling the beauty with inside of you. Thanks for watching.